between competition and this digital.
How many in this room focused on SDG 15? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have 4. How many focused on SDG 6? Okay. SDG 9, do we have? Okay, SDG 9. Now, focusing on SDG 15, we're talking about life on land, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay? So my question is, once again, okay, how do you think, when you show this to people in power, okay, those with authority, how do you think your presentation will give, or will make any change, okay, on the place they are ruling? You talk about Dubai. For example, if you show this to a ruler in Dubai, let's say, okay, how do you think this will change their outlook when it comes to the biodiversity of Dubai?
Well, I'll do things a bit differently. I'll make it more interactive to show what we could do. My belief is that when I show these to people of higher authority, they might think twice.
When cars come here, they can charge themselves using electricity. But of course, it's only for electric cars. I hope that in the future, all the cars become electric. No gas. So they run faster and easier. Yes.
Can we, excuse me, sorry, I know you have a question from Springlips. Can we address it to the whole group so that everyone can hear your question and hear his answer?